All right, guys, it's been a minute since I posted a video. Welcome back. I appreciate all the love and all the views you guys have been giving me on my first ride. So yeah, here's an update. 2019 Bobber. I know you guys are asking all about it. I've done a couple upgrades since then, so I want you guys to check them out. Added the Viking satchel bag, just like the mini one for 99 bucks. Added the Amazon shorties, the GP shorties. I'll link all of this in the description too. So just some budget friendly stuff that I've done so far. Like this was like 99 bucks. The pipes were, I think like 140. I actually just added these mirrors. They're like side mirrors. I had them down originally, but it kept denting into the logo on both sides. So I just installed these here, and I think they look nice. And these were only like 30 bucks. And the most expensive thing is I put a Ram mount on there for I think 90 bucks other than the shorties. And yeah, I think she's looking really nice. I'd start it up, but in the garage, a little loud, but dude, the bike looks sick. More updates to come. Just showing you guys what I've done so far, quick and easy. I'm gonna adjust the mirrors, and I think one thing I wanna do is change out the foot pegs. That's one thing I want to do, and then also add some a sissy bar to it, because I actually have I have this bad boy that I want to add to it. Hold on. So I think this will look good on it. Kind of a scuffed way to do it, but I'm gonna add that on there, and then add the sissy bar on there, and I think it'll look really good. But yeah, there's a quick update. Just a couple things from Amazon, the Viking bag and the Ram mount. Come a long way. It's only been, I think, about 4 months since I've owned the bike. And yeah, already doing some upgrades, excited. Appreciate all the love again, guys. I'll be uploading this, and I got an audio interface coming from my GoPro on my helmet. So I'll be able to vlog a little more while I'm riding, so you guys can see the crazy life of when I'm driving and all this shit I deal with. So hey, stay tuned for it. Let me know what you guys think, or give me some suggestions on what I should do to the bike next. I'm always open to it, because I do want to start modding this out pretty hefty. I'm having a good time with it, so maybe I definitely want to do the Dean Speed crash bars on the front. Sissy bar will come in, put that seat on, and then we'll go from there. So let me know what you guys think. I love the bike, appreciate the love, and yeah, stay tuned. I'll post another video, maybe a riding video next week. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. See ya.